Yes, hello, mga love, shout out mga love people. Good morning. Ayan, sana po ay magustuhan ninyo ang ating awit na handog para po sa inyong lahat. If there were no words, no way to speak, I would still hear you. If there were no tears, no way to feel inside, I still feel for you. And even if the sun refused to shine, even if romance ran out of run, you would still